Ugh, I hate this school. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fire drill, single one, please. Ooh, 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 ooh. So we're evacuating the school, and what happens next? What happens? Ooh, ooh, ooh. We have security cameras. Ooh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. It's Bobby Sam post the fire. Run, said Chickster. No running, single line, please. And we call the cops on Bobby Sam. And they on their way. Neo, 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 Neo. Okay, I'm here to guide you to your natural nest. Okay. We have security cameras of Bobby Sam post the fire alarm. Am I in trouble? Yes. So he needs to be expelled for another 5 days. Come on. So we evacuated for 10 years. On the rest, we built a new school. The name will be Thomas Braxton Primary School. But not Thomas Junior Middle School. Because Thomas Junior School will be closed for another 5 decades. And that's it for today. Movie2. Like and subscribe or you lose all your my coins.